This is a video that's going to show a parking ramp that we did downtown Cedar Rapids for the Smulekoff building. This is concrete that has not been sealed. Give you an example of how it just the water just absorbs into the concrete. See, it actually, you can almost see it being soaked in. See, the concrete is being soaked in. This is a parking lot that we sealed to make sure it's a two-level parking lot, and the lower level, they want to make sure the water will not penetrate to the lower level. So we seal the concrete, and here's an example of what concrete looks like when it's sealed. See that? So that's an example of what a parking lot looks like when the concrete is sealed.